Look at that. I don't want to tell my dog that there's some deer running. My bad. I had to put 60 seconds on my thing. But my dog still hasn't noticed them. Normally I'd call him, but I don't want him to notice them. He might though. He's smelling them. That's pretty cool, huh? See, I go where nature's at, everybody. Raza, make sure you follow along. Just want to make sure they leave before I start walking forward. Man, I might be able to shoot one with the bow right here. Pow! We're probably like around 50, 60 yards, maybe 70 max, but more like 50 yards. 40 closest. Easy shot, and they're curious.